Welcome back, everyone. Let's go ahead and break down a couple of different ways to go ahead and turn off your iPhone if you don't actually have functional buttons. Now, if you're able to turn on your iPhone, obviously you can tap on the screen if you have an iPhone like this, or if you have a power button. But turning off your iPhone is a little bit of a different process. So there's two different ways to do it. The first way I would recommend it is the way that's going to work for pretty much every single person who has an iPhone. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your settings app. You'll come into a panel that looks like this. You then want to go down into accessibility, which just tends to be like right here. At this point, you want to go ahead and find the specific option that says touch, which is right here. And then here, you want to go ahead and click on the first option up there that says assistive touch. So you want to go and click on assistive touch, and you want to enable this little option. Now you're going to go ahead and see this little circular icon come in the bottom left or somewhere else around your display. All you have to do is go ahead and click on the specific icon. You then want to go and click on device, which is right here, and you're going to see this lock screen option. So this is going to allow you to actually go ahead and basically lock the screen. So if I click here, you'll see that this display is actually locked. Now you can go ahead and unlock the display by clicking on the display just like this, or clicking on the power button if it works or if it doesn't work sometimes. But clicking on the display, now if you want to turn off the display, click here. You can click on devices and click lock screen, and it'll go ahead and turn off the phone for you. So that is the first way to go ahead and get this all set up. Now the second way is if you don't want to use assistive touch, or if you want a way easier way to do it and basically unlock or lock your phone if the screen isn't working, whatever, is basically going into your settings. Now this doesn't work on a lot of iPhones. This is why it's the back tap feature. So if you want to be able to turn off your display without using assistive touch and simply just by tapping on the back, this is how you do it. But you need to make sure your iPhone does support back tap. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you get into accessibility again. So you want to click on accessibility. At this point, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you get into touch, which is right here. You want to scroll down again until you see back tap, which is right here. So you want to click right there. Then at this point, you want to go ahead and click on double tap or triple tap, whichever option you want. And you want to go ahead and set the double tap as something like you're turning off the display. So there is an option over here somewhere that says lock screen. I may have already passed it. So right here, there is lock screen. So you just want to go ahead and click that. Now look what happens. If you double tap the back of your phone, it's going to go ahead and turn off the display. So if I can go situate it right, as you can see, I double tap it and the screen should have power off sometime. There we go, it just did. So if I go and click on it again, if I click out of here, you can see if I double tap the display, it'll go ahead and turn it off. So it is a little bit of a noticeable delay, but it still works. And that's another way you can go ahead and turn off the display a little bit differently. So if you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.